Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Every strong store runs on numbers, and Resogra gives you all of yours in one place, your vendor analytics dashboard. In this short guide you'll learn how to read it, what each figure means, and how to use it to sell more. Open Vendor Analytics from the left menu, under Seller Tools. This is your store's command center. If your store is brand new, every number here will read 0 for now, and that's completely normal. The dashboard fills in on its own every night, as soon as real sales start coming in. Start with revenue, the money your store has earned. You get it broken down for yesterday, the last 7 days, the last 30 days, and your lifetime total, so you can see at a glance whether sales are speeding up or slowing down. Next to it, orders shows how many separate sales you've made over the same periods. Revenue tells you how much you earned. Orders tells you how many buyers it took to earn it. Watching both together is how you spot what's really working. Average order value is how much a typical buyer spends in one order. This is one of the easiest numbers to grow. Bundle products together, suggest an add-on, or set a free shipping threshold, and the same number of buyers starts spending a little more each. The next 3 cards track your store's health. Conversion rate, highlighted here, is the share of visitors who actually buy. Right beside it, refund rate shows how often orders come back, and returning customers shows how many buyers come back for more. Healthy stores keep the first and last high, and the middle one low. Below your cards, this chart plots your revenue day by day over the last 30 days. A picture like this makes trends obvious. You can instantly see your busy days, your quiet stretches, and whether a promotion actually moved the needle. This chart ranks your top 5 products by how many units they sold. These are your winners. Feature them on your storefront, keep them in stock, and build bundles around them, because doing more of what already sells is the fastest way to grow. Finally, every card has an export CSV link. One-click downloads that data as a spreadsheet you can open in Excel or Google Sheets, keep for your records, or share with an accountant. Your numbers are always yours to take with you. And that's your sales dashboard: revenue, orders, average order value, your store's health signals, your trend over time, and your best sellers, all in one place. Check it once a week, follow what the numbers tell you, and let it guide your next move. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.